Hello, here's the One Team Working COVID-19 update for Friday the 21st of August. So with regards to antibody testing, there was an article in last Friday's One Team Working. Here, Jo Hurley, our locality director, shares her experience. Following the article in One Team Working, I booked my antibody test, which was at Lincoln County Hospital. Appointments there are between 5:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. on weekdays. It's different for other locations. The blood test takes place in the outpatients departments. There's no need to go into the main hospital, and parking is currently free. I received my results on Wednesday morning via email, which shows I have antibodies, which means that I have had COVID-19 without realising. This doesn't change anything. All the essential good practice around COVID-19, such as hand washing, wearing masks, it all still applies. Many people are still very vulnerable to the virus. So, however, taking part will help with the understanding of coronavirus and how we need to develop our ways of working in the future, which is why I would encourage everyone to book a test if they can. It's good to be in the know. Click It has been sent out to everyone. There is also information on the Exchange It on Zone Standard. So please do have a look and use the email address to get in touch to book your appointment. Health and wellbeing, preparing for winter flu season, the injected flu vaccine is offered free of charge to people who are at risk to help protect them against getting the flu and developing serious complications, and it's routinely offered to adults 65 and over, people with certain medical conditions, pregnant women, frontline health or social care workers, and adults with a learning disability. Recognising the increased risk of both flu and COVID-19 circulating this winter, the national programme has been extended to protect vulnerable people and to support the resilience of the health and social care system. NHS shielded patients and health and social care staff are now eligible for flu vaccinations. There will be a big national campaign to maximise uptake of the vaccine across the country. The confidential inquiry into the death of people with learning disabilities report found that respiratory problems were a major cause of death for people with learning disabilities. It recommended people with learning disabilities should be identified as a high-risk group for inclusion in seasonal influenza vaccination programmes. Medical practices will be launching their flu vaccination campaigns beginning of September, so please ensure that documentation around mental capacity assessments and best interest decisions where appropriate are complete. Public Health England guidance states that if any of the individuals we support are anxious about needles, a less invasive alternative should be considered. The live intranasal vaccine is given as a single spray squirted up each nostril. It's not licensed for adults, as there is evidence it may be less effective than the injected vaccine. However, guidance has been issued to say medical practitioners can choose to use the nasal spray off-label, and that this can be for patients with learning difficulties who become seriously distressed with needles. Public Health England recognises that this is a reasonable adjustment. A full list of groups is on the government website on this link. So Care to Move, Connor was the star today, an amazing achievement. He hosted a brilliant fitness session. It was fantastic. I hope everyone enjoyed getting involved and having fun with some fitness. If you missed it, it is still available on the Care to Watch channel. You can watch it back at any point. So just because you missed the live streaming of it at 11 o'clock doesn't mean that you can't partake. So please, at any point, click onto the Care to Watch channel and have a go. Also, please remember to film and take photos of individuals taking part in the activity and use the Care to Watch activity tag in daily diaries. What's coming on up again for the rest of August? We've got junk modelling from this weekend. Activities team have sent out storage boxes for each home to collect boxes, tubes, packets and tins. And the next weekend, the 28th, is Neon Party, so they'll also be sending out a pack with lots of different fun things in. Please can you make sure that all video and photos uploaded are tagged with the new SCE activity pack tag. So for any activities where you're sent the pack from the Social Care Exchange, there is now a new activity tag in the daily diaries for SCE activity packs. And here are some photos from the week. Thanks everyone, see you again next time.